follow us, here you are, our Facebook and Instagram.
Welcome to the hip hop class. We are going to explain all steps in front of the mirror.
On this way, you can teach your students each step easily. So we want your street side and let's have fun.
Let's go! Okay, let's start. Are you ready, Jessica?
Yes, of course. First, we're gonna teach 2/8 without music and then with music.
The first step is ball chain. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more. 7, 8. Left and right. Go. 3 and 4. Jessica, continue.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now hit your hips. 5 and 6, close. 7, your chest, and 8. Again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
One more. 7, 8. Very slow. And 1, your chest. 2, 3, and 4. And now this is 5, 6, 7 with your chest, and 8. Okay? And 8. One more. Your last step is pop. Okay? Pop and 8. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pop. Okay. One more.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. The step 2 is really strong and your weight is back. Is 1, back 2, 3, and 4. Yes, again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay, from the top. 7, 8. Ball chain and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, very nice. Continue.
Now to the side. And 5, 6, open, 7, close, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7 to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very nice. From the top. 5, 6, 7 ball chain and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, the last time without music. 7, 8 from the top. Ball chain and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
And now with music. We have 2/8. Now we're gonna teach 2/8 more. So we are here. And now jump. And 1, shoulder 2, open 3, and 4.
Very important. This is up and down and 4 and 4.
Again, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, shoulder, open, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, jump, shoulder, open, and 4. And now let's go to the floor. 5, 6, and 7, 8. It's like a wave, okay? Do a wave with your body. To the left, to the right.
Very nice. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step This is 1. And now 2. Strong. And 3, 4. And now this is 5 and 6, 7, slide 8. Very nice. One more. From the snake step. 7, 8. And 1, 2, big, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. This is a ball movement with your elbow. Okay? This is a roll. And 5 and 6, 7, 8. It's too fast, this step. Okay? 5 and 6, 7, 8. With your elbow, this is a roll. Okay? Now this is 5 and 6, 7, 8. Very nice. From the
jump.
Yes. 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 is like 8. With music.
Let's go to continue. We have 4 8s, now 2 more. We finish in slide. And only your legs. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Step back 3. Step 4. Again. 7, 8. Side, side, center, back, tap.
With your arms, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2. Up, 3, 4. One more. 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Your accent is up and 3, 4. Up, down. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Very nice. Continue.
Now we're gonna do kicks with your right. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again. We are here and is. Kick, kick, change, kick, side, cross. Again. 3, 4. Let's go. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Very nice. And now from the 1, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Kicks. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Very nice. One more. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Time. 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. Kick, kick, change, kick, side, cross. Stop.
Continue, Jessica.
Yes.
Step
Now,
with your left. 7, 8. This is 1. Change your weight. 2. Your weight is in left, but your step is with your right. Okay. And now this is 3. Return in 4. One more. 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3. Return in 4.
try to do a little bit pop, pop. Last time. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue, cross your right. 5, step 6, cross, 7, turn 8. Yes. Let's go again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3. Ball chain and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, or chain and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. And now with music.
Never felt like this. Prayers have been answered. Memories I won't forget. Always blind to see.
And welcome to the last part, the last 2 8. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Remember the step. This is 6 cross, 7, turn, 8. And now open 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Move your hips, right, down, left.
Do a big circle. Yes.
7, 8. This is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more.
And your arms are back. Let's go.
7, 8. This is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. The next step, 9, 9. This is 1, 2. Move your shoulders. This is left, front, right, front. Move front and back. Okay? A little bit circle.
Yes, and relax. Yeah.
Relájate, mami, eso, suave, relájate. Relax, okay? This is the move of 9-9 step. This is left and right, right and left and right. Yes, down and up. Very nice. And now with your arms, and with me, and with me, let's go, and okay, one more, and very nice. And now from 1 and 2, 7, 8, this is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 9-9 step, this is 5, 6, and now this step I love so much. This is half step, and 7, 8 bunch. Okay, one more. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Very nice. From the 9-9 step, this is 5, 6, house step, 7, 8. Yes. From 1,
Jump.
7, 8. Open and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's continue. We close with step house, and now open your left. And with your arm, do a circle too. Is 1, and now 2. Pretty strong. Look at this. Our arm is up, and when our arm is here, we do a wave with the body. Yes. First your arm and then your body. Again. 7 and 1 and 2. It's too fast. 1, 2. Now cross, and 3 and 4. Again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Up, down. Is band. Again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3 and 4.
Continue. Let's go with your hips, and 5 and 6. And now with your shoulders, and 7. Picture 8 men, ladies, sexy style, Jessica. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your hips, and 5 and 6. This is left, right, and 7 and 8. Very nice. From 1, 7, 8, and 1. Strong. 2, close, and 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. Very important. This is down, up. Okay, and 5 and 6 and 7 and both 8.
Okay, we're going to collect the last 2 8s. Remember, jump. 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, close. Ha. Yes. Now we have all the choreography. From the top, everything. Let's go.
With energy, con energía, chicos. Chicas, let's go.